You've heard about layer 1 blockchains, and you've probably heard about layer 2s, designed to resolve scalability issues that layer 1s face. But have you heard about layer 0 blockchains? Imagine if you had an extensive ecosystem of interconnected applications and services that could easily communicate with one another. Now imagine multiple blockchains, all of which are able to interact with one another seamlessly. Cosmos was developed to do exactly that. Its name and overall logo are a reference to our own galaxy, which features various elements that exist individually. However, they are bound and interact together by a universe force such as our own gravity. Cosmos is the universal network that allows blockchains to exist individually, however be bound to one another through it. Some of the most popular blockchains and coins that you might have used that run on Cosmos include Kronos, BNB, OKB, and Thorchain. Cosmos aims to be the decentralized ecosystem of independent blockchains that can scale and connect to one another. This includes blockchains built both on Cosmos as well as external blockchains. Today we're going to be exploring Cosmos and how important of a role this Layer 0 project plays in the overall blockchain ecosystem. Hey guys, it's Mark Thompson from CryptoMade, and today we're going to be going over everything you need to know when it comes to Kronos, alongside its various use cases and solutions that it delivers. Now, before we go too far into the video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you always get alerted whenever I post upcoming videos. Keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. This content is used for educational and informational purposes only. It's important to talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. All right, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. The Cosmos network is a blockchain ecosystem that has its own native cryptocurrency known as the Atom coin. This is why it's being dubbed the Internet of Blockchains. Atom is a cryptocurrency that is used as a means of powering transactions. The Cosmos network was developed by Jay No and Ethan Buckman. Cosmos aims to bring together a variety of different blockchains within a single platform and resolve key issues that have been surrounding blockchains since their inception, including scalability, interoperability, usability, and sovereignty. As such, Cosmos employs a layer 0 model and is a framework for building custom-tailored, independent blockchains that can be interoperable with one another on the Cosmos-powered blockchain networks and even outside of the networks through what's called a peg zone. There are three main tools that are used to power this ecosystem. The first is the Tendermint BFT. Within a blockchain, there are three layers. The application layer, which is the code that creates some level of functionality. Then there's the network layer, which broadcasts the transactions and consensus-related messages. And then there's the consensus player, which allows nodes to agree on the state of the system. Typically, each of them have been developed from the ground up throughout the development of a blockchain. However, the Tendermint BFT combines the networking and consensus layers of a blockchain within a single engine. This lets developers build public and private blockchains with ease. It can have a block time of 1 second and handle thousands of transactions per second. The Tendermint core is a consensus engine, which has the theoretical capability to handle the transaction volume of 10,000 transactions per second. By comparison, Ethereum handles about 15 to 30. Now let's talk about the Cosmos SDK. While the Tendermint BFT reduces the time of creating a blockchain, the Cosmos Software Development Kit aids in the process of building secure blockchain applications. It gives developers access to ready-built modules and can work with any compatible engine outside of the Tendermint BFT as well. The Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or the IBC, is responsible for the process of connecting different custom blockchain networks throughout the Cosmos ecosystem. This means that they can transfer value, assets, and any form of data from and to each other. It's here where heterogeneous chains are multi-layer blockchains that have fast finality, and many blockchains that utilize proof of stake as a consensus mechanism fall within this category. Zones are the typical heterogeneous blockchains, while hubs are the blockchains specifically designed to connect the zones. The Cosmos Hub was the first hub within the entire ecosystem. When it comes to connecting the blockchains outside of its main ecosystem, a peg zone is utilized, which is an account-based blockchain that is responsible for bridging zones with Cosmos to external chains, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. When we look at real use cases leveraging a layer 0 blockchain like Cosmos, here's some examples. For one, a global supply chain company could essentially have their inventories get verified, then tracked along each step of the way within a single blockchain network or application. Then manufacturers and quality assurance testers, or even the distributors and retailers could all have their own separate blockchain on top of which they can record everything, each step of the way. Then all the data across all the apps or chains could get synced within a single tab. This in turn would lead to the seamless integration of all related data. Healthcare records could also get stored securely and easily. Every hospital could have its own blockchain. The interoperability interoperability could aid in easy access to records or other healthcare data. For example, a patient needs to get transferred from one hospital to another that uses a different blockchain to store their data. Cosmos could keep the patient's record in sync. The use cases are literally endless. Okay, so now on to my personal take. Cosmos is defined as the internet of blockchains for a reason, as it introduces numerous advantages, solving one of the main issues of crypto, which is interoperability. The platform is fully customizable, and developers are given the opportunity to freely create and issue any new blockchain applications and even entire platforms with ease. Currently, there are over 260 applications and services in the Cosmos ecosystem, which means that developers and businesses have confidence in the project long term. It is clear that the blockchain developers are the ones that benefit the most from the network, and in turn those benefits will get passed down to the end user. As with the various toolkits and features available within it, they can easily create application-specific blockchains. It is clear that Cosmos was created to make it as easy as possible for blockchain networks to communicate with each other and coexist smoothly, and it's quite impressive that they have managed to remain decentralized, something highly appreciated within the cryptosphere. So what about you? Have you invested into the Atom cryptocurrency yet? If you ended up enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns of other crypto projects, including updates on everything that's happening in the industry.